This is the second part of the story, Measure for Measure, from lesson 3. And here's a new character enters named Tenali Raman. Let's continue the story. Though Raja Verma was a good man and a brilliant artist, he had no experience whatsoever of administration. Soon everything was thrown into disorder because of his hasty decisions and bad management of the state affairs. Though people were unhappy about his administration, they did not dare to complain to the king because the king was very fond of him. Although Raja Verma was an excellent and remarkable artist, he had no idea of administration. Due to his quick judgment, he failed to manage and solve the matters of the state. People were very upset with Raja Verma's work, but no one dared to speak as he was very close and dear to the king. The elders of the town finally approached and sought Tenali Raman's help in getting rid of the new and inept chief minister. Tenali Raman assured them, "I shall soon find a harmless way to remove the artist from the chief ministership." So what happened? The seniors of the town finally approached to Tenali Raman. They came near Tenali Raman for seeking his help, and Tenali Raman promised them that very quickly, smartly, and easily he will find a harmless plan to remove that incapable artist from the chief ministership. After a few weeks, Tenali Raman invited the king, the queens, and some courtiers to his house for lunch. Meanwhile, he found a very good carpenter and put him on the job of preparing a grand feast for the king. So what happened? After some days, Tenali Raman invited the king and his courtiers to his home for meal, and luckily in between that period he found a very brilliant carpenter and he offered him for the job of cooking. The king and others sat for lunch, and at Tenali Raman's order, the carpenter began serving them. As soon as they put the first morsel for food in their mouths, the people began to request for water again and again. Could you tell me why would this happen? Morsel means, what do you mean by morsel? A small quantity of food. So when they sat for having meal, and as they took the first bite of food, they were requesting for water again and again. Maybe the food could be horribly cooked. Soon after tasting the food, the king realized that the food was badly cooked and was unbearably hot. He was angry. "Raman, who has cooked this food? Do you want us all to suffer and die by eating this horrible food?" In his usual humble way, Tenali Raman said, "I beg your majesty's forgiveness." Then he showed the carpenter to the king. "I have never come across such an excellent carpenter, and I have put him on the job of cooking the lunch for today's feast." And then Tenali Raman very politely begged for forgiveness, and then he called carpenter in front of the king and told to the king that in his whole life he had never met such an extraordinary carpenter. That's why he offered him to the job of cooking feast for the grand meal. The king began laughing loudly. "Have you lost all your sense, Raman? A good carpenter should be employed to work on wood, but not on food. How did you get this funny idea?" Tenali Raman asked the king. "Lord, if an artist can become a chief minister, can't a carpenter become a cook?" After that, what happened? The king started laughing very badly, and he said to Raman that, "What happened? Are you gone mad? From where you get this silly idea? A good carpenter should be employed to make furnitures, but not to cook meal." Then Tenali Raman opposed to the king and said, "If an artist could become a chief minister, then why not a carpenter could become a cook?" The king at once understood that Tenali Raman got a carpenter to cook the food to make him realize his error in making Raja Varma the chief minister. So, after hearing Tenali Raman's point of view, the king at once instantly and got it that Tenali Raman has done all this purposely and intentionally so that the king could realize his mistake for choosing Raja Varma as the chief minister for his kingdom. The king was saved from the embarrassment of removing Raja Varma from the post because when Raja Varma came to know about the awkward incident at Raman's house, he immediately resigned from his post. Later, Raja Varma told Tenali Raman that he was happy to remain an artist. So, luckily, Raja Varma escaped from that awkward movement because he himself appointed Raja Varma as chief ministership. Then how could he remove him from that post? But as soon as Raja Varma came to know about that awkward and funny incident at Tenali Raman's house, he himself resigned from his chief ministership post, and he said that he always remained happy to an artist. So that's all in this video, and here ends our story, Measure for Measure. I hope you liked this story and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.